This video tutorial I will explain getDisplayName method of TimeZone class which accept daylight, style and locale. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo. Here I am getting TimeZone object by calling getDefault method of TimeZone class. Then I am calling getDisplayName method of TimeZone object and passing daylight as true, style as long and passing locale. This method returns display name. Here I am calling getDisplayName method of TimeZone object and passing daylight as true, style as short and locale. And we got display name. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.